SuperEX is one of the crypto exchange that I've been using so far for the past few years, and the company or the exchange platform is doing great. Guys, here is another important video I want to show you guys on this project about SuperEX. As usual guys, SuperEX is one of its kind that give to its community different way to earn, mainly if you are a good trader. So in this video guys, I will guide you on how to earn from this 20,000 USDT from SuperEX. This process is very simple guys. All you have to do guys is watch this video to the end so that you not miss out on what I will explain to you guys in this video. First of all guys, you need to create an account with SuperEX. Yes, because before you can participate on any of the projects on SuperEX, you need an account with them. In that regard, click the link in the video description guys. Provide all the necessary information and set up your account. Once you've created your account guys, verify your account. Verification process on SuperEX is very simple guys. I mean super easy. Once you verify your account guys, then you are good to go. So here is what you have to do guys. The future trade between December 4th and December 14th and share from this 20,000 USDT. First time future trader, if this is your first time guys, you're going to enjoy 50 USDT voucher. It means once you trade guys, you're going to trade for free because all the transaction fee will be taken care of with your 50 USDT. Hit the volume target and earn up to 50 USDT guys. You get this 50 USDT straight to your account once you hit a starting target on the trading exercise, which is very good guys. Don't miss out. Start trading now. Now to do that guys, we're going to trade on our mobile device. I use mobile device because majority of my subscribers or majority of traders make use of their mobile device. That is why guys, you have to download this app on your device and trade as soon as we end this video. So guys, let's move on into a mobile device and trade SuperEX. So guys, here is the trading platform on a mobile device. Now you have to log into your account. I've logged into my account. Guys, before we move on, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video guys. Always endeavor to trade at your own risk. Now go ahead and tap on this asset button. The reason you are tapping on the asset button is to add your USDT or any other token you want to trade on this platform. Majorly guys, we make use of USDT. So go ahead and tap on this deposit button. Once you tap on deposit button guys, it comes up like this. Search for USDT in the search bar or you tap on USDT here. Once you tap on USDT, it comes up like this guys. Then send your USD to any of this wallet address ranging from BNB through Optimism. Now that I've done that and your USDT has been sent on this platform, the next thing is to trade on this platform. And this way is very simple guys, because we're going to trade on future trading on this platform. So go ahead and tap on this market or you tap on hold the trading button guys. So once you tap on hold the trade market, it comes up like this. Then tap this feature. Once you tap on the feature, it comes up like this guys. Then it brings to the feature trading on this platform. Here is the feature trading on this platform. Before we go into details guys, let me quickly explain some important key notes here that you need to know. Tap on this button guys and select the trading pairs of your choice. Yes, you can select the trading pair of your choice. Then come over and tap on this arrow. Once you tap on this arrow at the front of isolate, it brings you to this interface where you have isolated and cross margin. Now I will only advise you guys to make use of isolated. But before you decide on that, let me quickly explain what cross margin is all about. Cross trading or cross margin means that if you have $1,000 on your account and you decided to trade with just 100 USDT out of the 1,000 USDT you have on your account, and the market is not favoring you, it's going against you, instead of you to be liquidated from this market, no, the system will go to your main account and start trading, and this may run your account to zero. So that is why I do not encourage you guys to make use of cross margin. But isolated trading platform is the best trading system for me, because the amount you set aside to trade on this platform, if the market is not on your favor, you'll be liquidated from the account, while the other amount you have on your account still remain. So tap on it. Now the next thing you have to do guys, to come back to this place and tap on this arrow at the front of 6x. That's what we call leverage guys. We call this one trading leverage. What it means that if you are trading with 1,000 USDT, the system will multiply by the number of leverage you have here. The higher the leverage, the higher the money you make, but the higher the risk it becomes. So guys, when it comes to crypto, do not be greedy. Trade between 3 and 5x, that is 3 to 5 leverages. Now that I've done that, I will always advise you to make sure of this button, guys, to do some analysis to know what is going on the market about that particular token you want to trade in a few days, if up to two, so that you'll be able to understand what is happening as well. Don't forget that there are some other things that affect the price of any token. Yes, take a look at what's happening in the global market. This will also help you guys to analyze your market very well. The next thing you have to do now is to tap on this button. Now, here you have this button at top of limit, guys. I will also talk about two here, guys. I'll talk about the limit and the market. So first of all, let me talk about the market. The market is that you enter the price, or you enter the market, you start trading at the current price of any token you are trading against USDT. For the sake of this video, guys, we are talking about BTC, and the current price of BTC is 95,756 USDT point something. That point you see there, that is the current market. So if you enter the amount of USDT you want to trade into this place, then the amount of BTC you'll be able to buy comes up, then you tap on buy long or buy short. But guys, I will always advise to make use of this limit button, because you'll be able to enter the market at your own convenient price. Now take a look at the price of the current price of BTC. Now you can decide to enter the market at lesser price or lower price into this place. The amount of USDT you want to trade, guys, you enter it here, then or you drag this arrow to select the amount of USDT you want to trade based on what you have in your account. Then you tap on open long. Now let me quickly explain the difference between open long and open short. When you trade on open long, you predict that any token trading or traded against USDT is going to increase. For example, BTC is now trading at the rate of $95,736, and you predict that anytime from now BTC will be start trading around 96,000, 90,000, 99,000. That is, you tap on open long. That is when you make use of this blue or green color. Then if you tap on open short, it means that the price of that token will keep coming down. Yes, it will not have value against USDT. The price will keep coming down in the opposite direction. So guys, this is the simple process, guys, on how to earn from this platform. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed to our channel, can you subscribe to our channel, guys? Tap the notification icon and select all, so that you'll be notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.